160,000 plastic bags are used globally every second. At least 267 different species have been affected by plastic pollution in the ocean. Turtles, dolphins, and whales can choke or starve by confusing plastic bags for jellyfish. My name is Ben Ford, and I knew that I needed to make a change. Despite not living close to the ocean, plastic debris still impacts us worldwide. What started off as a school project then flourished into something so much more. The goal of my project was to promote the use of reusable materials compared to single-use plastic bags. To accomplish this, I wanted to sell reusable tote bags around my local community in hopes of changing people's habits and make them more aware of the harm associated with plastic bags in our environment. If I wanted to make such a big change, I had to get to work. First, I needed a creative design for the front side of my bags. After a few attempts, I realized it was time to turn this part over to someone who knew what they were doing, so I sought help from my school's graphic design class. I proposed a competition to class members, and after 10 great submissions, I finally found the one. Now with an awesome design for the front, I thought I was ready to start selling, when it occurred to me that I would need money to order the bags. I partnered with 6 local businesses in which they sponsored me and purchased advertising for their logo to be placed on the back side of my tote bags. This stood as a great deal for them when they realized how many people would be carrying these bags around the community. One of these sponsors was the Ambler EAC, an environmental advisory council that deals with changing and improving the environment. The Ambler EAC helped me create connections through events they sponsored. These events included a local farmers market, an environmental expo, and a movie screening where I met a representative from a local co-op supermarket called Weaver's Way. Weaver's Way purchased $100 worth of bags from me and even featured me in their monthly newsletter called The Shuttle. After selling the bags for over a month, I made $750, which I then decided to donate back to the Ambler EAC. The money donated went towards a program that focused on planting trees around the community, including a new local park. My project is unique as it not only dealt with the reduction of plastic bags, but also helps reduce greenhouse gases as the trees bill will eat carbon dioxide. Through this project, I not only developed as a person and learned important skills, but I recognized how one person can truly make a difference. I know that the impact I made on some people will lead them to be more environmentally cautious. Now that I'm finished with plastic bags, I plan on tackling other plastic products, such as straws and cups. By changing the way people think and educating them on negative effects associated with using plastic, I know that my passion will help make a bigger change well beyond this project.